Congratulations on your purchase of a Mastercool Recover, Recycle, and Recharge machine. This video will cover the setup and basic operation of the 69788A, 69789, and 69789H. The features included on these machines: SAE J2788 certified, updatable refrigerant capacity database of over 1,000 vehicles, industry-leading 6CFM deep vacuum pump, automatic air purge, automatic vacuum leak test, automatic filter alarm, automatic full and low refrigerant tank alarm, automatic oil discharge, oil injection. The 69789 and 69789H also include automatic oil injection and a thermal printer. The 69789H also incorporates an integrated flushing system for use when switching from a standard R134A vehicle to a hybrid vehicle. Machine setup. Remove your Mastercool Recover, Recycle, and Recharge machine from the protective packaging. Keep the top of the box upright to prevent the tilt indicator from turning red. Fold the box and store with the base compartment. Your Mastercool Recover, Recycle, Recharge machine comes complete with all the accessories needed to perform AC recover, recycle, and recharge operations. Each machine includes a protective dust cover, 8-foot set of charging hoses, high side coupler, low side coupler, scale calibration weight, vacuum pump oil, tank adapter for internal tank charging. To begin the setup, remove the back maintenance panel. To add vacuum pump oil, remove the oil fill plug. Insert the hose from the oil bottle into the pump. Fill to the center mark on the sight glass. Mastercool recommends the changing of vacuum pump oil every 20 hours of operation. Replace the oil fill plug. Unlocking the scale. To unlock the scale, loosen the bolt completely without removing. Use a 10mm wrench. Tighten the 10mm nut. You will need to tighten the bolt if the unit needs to be transported. This will protect the proper calibration of the scale. Add fresh compressor oil. To add fresh compressor oil, remove the side maintenance panel. Remove the new oil bottle from the quick connect fitting. Add the proper vehicle manufacturer recommended compressor oil. Replace new oil bottle. Note the warning on the new oil bottle to add under vacuum only. Replace the side maintenance panel. Fresh compressor oil fill for the 69789 and 69789H. These bottles are located on the back of the machine. The new compressor oil bottle has the blue tube. Connect the AC hoses. On the front panel of your machine, you will find the high and low side service valves. Connect and securely tighten the red and blue hoses. Connect and securely tighten the high and low side manual couplers. Internal 30-pound tank charging. To fill the internal refrigerant tank, connect the power cord and turn on the machine. Connect and securely tighten the tank adapter to the new R134A refrigerant source. For the 69788A, at the main menu, select Next Menu, then select Tank Charging. For models number 69789 and 69789H, at the main menu, select F5, then select Tank Charging, then press F4 to enter. On all the machines, set the amount to 12 pounds of refrigerant. This amount will ensure that you have enough refrigerant for several vehicles. Connect the high side red coupler to the tank adapter on the external refrigerant source. Open the high side red coupler. Open the valve on the external refrigerant source. Turn the bottle upside down for liquid refrigerant flow. Open the high side service port valve on the machine. For the 69788A, press Start to start the internal tank charging. For the 69789 and 69789H, press F1 from the display to start the tank charging process. Near the end of tank charging, the machine will pause and instruct you to close the valve on the external refrigerant source. For the 69788A, press Start to complete the tank charge. For the 69789 and 69789H, press F1 on the display to complete the tank charge. First time charging of the machine, the refrigerant available display may be plus or minus 1 pound of the charged amount. Your Mastercool Recover, Recycle, and Recharge machine is now set up and ready to operate. Machine operation, automatic mode. For the 69788A, select Automatic Procedure. Set the vacuum time. Mastercool recommends a minimum of 15 minutes vacuum time. Set the quantity of refrigerant to be charged. Locate this information on the data plate in the engine compartment or under hood. You may also select from the refrigerant database. To access the database, press the down arrow to display the vehicle manufacturers. Select the manufacturer, then select the model. Press Enter to start the reclamation process. Follow the instructions on the screen. Open high and low side service port valves. Press Start to initiate the recovery process. To program the 69789 and 69789H, select the automatic mode. Press F1 on the display. The 69789H will require the user to select standard R134A vehicle or hybrid vehicle. More information on hybrids will be discussed later in this video. Set the desired vacuum time. Select the fresh oil charge. The 69789 and 69789H have 3 options for the fresh oil charge. 1. Automatic. If any oil is discharged, it will then automatically be injected into the system. 2. No oil. No oil will be injected. 3. The user can determine the amount of oil to be injected. Set refrigerant charge. Locate the amount of refrigerant specified on the vehicle data plate in the engine compartment or under hood and enter into your machine. You can reference the refrigerant capacity database in your machine. To reference the database, press F3, the key labeled DB. Select the manufacturer. Select the model and enter into the machine. Refrigerant units can be pre-selected in pounds, ounces, pounds and ounces, grams and kilograms. To change the measuring units, press F5 on the display. Select Measure Units, then change to the desired unit of measure. Automatic procedure for 69789 and 69789H. For the 69789 and 69789H, to start the automatic procedure, select F1 from the display. The 69789H will ask the user to choose from standard R134A or hybrid. Hybrids will be discussed later in this video. Your Mastercool machine will now recover, recycle, pull a vacuum for the program time, perform an automatic vacuum leak check, inject the oil, and charge the pre-programmed amount of refrigerant back into the vehicle. Automatic vacuum leak check. The 2-minute automatic vacuum leak check will occur when a minimum of 11 minutes of vacuum has been programmed into the machine. A counter of 120 seconds will be displayed after 9 minutes of vacuum. If an unacceptable sized leak is detected, the unit will display leak detected. The leak will need to be repaired. Once the automatic leak check is passed, the machine will resume with the remaining programmed vacuum time. Oil injection. When the vacuum time is completed, the 69788A will display Inject Oil. On the back of the machine, determine the amount of recovered oil that may have been discharged into the waste bottle during the recovery process. This is the amount of fresh oil that needs to be added. To add fresh oil, open the side panel to access the fresh oil bottle. Open the check valve. The machine will start to inject the fresh oil. The system is under vacuum and the oil will be injected quickly. Close the valve when the proper amount of fresh oil has been added. Only open the check valve when the system is under vacuum and the display has directed you to inject oil. After the oil has been injected, press Start to continue. Your 69788 machine will now recharge the preset amount of refrigerant back into the vehicle and continue with the recharge process. The 69789 and 69789H machines will inject the user's programmed oil functions. 1. Automatic. 2. No oil. 3. Programmed amount of oil. When the refrigerant recharge has been completed, the End of Procedure screen will appear. This procedure allows the verification of proper operating pressures and the remaining refrigerant in the service hoses to enter the vehicle. To start this process, close the high and low side service valves on the machine. Press Start. Start the vehicle's engine and turn the AC system on high. Press Start. Verify the proper AC system low and high side pressures. Close the high side coupler. Press Start. Open the high and low side service valves on the machine. Press Start. Allow high and low side pressures on the gauges to equalize. Close all valves. Press Reset to complete the process and return to the main screen. End of charge process for the 69789 and 69789H. Follow the instructions on the machine. Close the high and low side service valves. Press F1. Start the vehicle's engine and turn the AC system on high. Press F1. Verify the proper AC system low and high side pressures. Press F1. Close the high side coupler. Press F1. Open the high and low side service valves on the machine. Press F1. Allow high and low side pressures on the gauges to equalize. Close all valves. Press F2 to complete the process and return to the main screen. Your automatic procedure is now complete. The 69789 and 69789H will print a complete record of the reclamation process. Assisted procedures. The Mastercool machines also give you the opportunity to perform each individual recover, vacuum, and charge function manually. For the 69788A manual functions, select Assisted Procedure from the main screen. Here, the user may individually select Recover Refrigerant, Vacuum System, Charge System, or access the database to determine the manufacturer's recommended refrigerant capacities. Manual procedures for the 69789 and 69789H. From the main menu, select Assisted Procedure, F4. Here, the user may individually select Recover Refrigerant, Vacuum System, Oil Injection, Charge System, or access the database to determine the manufacturer's recommended refrigerant capacities. Hybrid functions. The 69789H also includes a fully integrated real loop flush system to remove any residual oil prior to working on a hybrid 134A vehicle. At the start of the reclamation process, the 69789H will require you to select R134A standard or hybrid vehicle. Selection of automatic oil injection. When selecting a hybrid vehicle, the automatic oil injection is disabled in accordance with the SAE J2788 regulations. Manual oil injection of an approved hybrid dielectric compressor oil is required. See vehicle manufacturer's recommended hybrid compressor oil. Access the integrated flushing system. To access the integrated flushing system, select F4 from the assisted procedure on the display. Select hybrid vehicle. A warning will be displayed to use hybrid-specific oil and a manual injection device in accordance with SAE J2788 standards. Select F4 from the display. The HP and LP hose flushing procedure will be displayed. Select F1 to continue. Connect the red and blue couplers to the proper fittings on the side of the 69789H. Open the high and low side couplers. Select F1 to continue. Hose flushing, please wait, will be displayed. When the process has been completed, hose flushing, end of sequence will be displayed. Select F2 to return to the main menu. You can now perform an automatic or manual procedure on the hybrid vehicle. Your MasterCool Recover, Recycle, Recharge machine is programmed with many other features. Please refer to the owner's manual for a complete list and description of available features and functions. If you have any questions, please contact MasterCool Technical Service at 1-800-522-5076. Thank you for your purchase of the latest technology in recover, recycle, and recharge machines available on the market today, and brought to you by MasterCool USA.